Next one. Given a questionable organization, that I would even spend hours and hours speaking about it. One should not be careful to only give tzedakah money to organizations that follow the dictates of the Torah. So there are not too many organizations like that. Just so you know, some of them have beautiful advertisements. Therefore, one should not give tzedakah to organizations which are known to disperse money to places that do not follow the dictates of the Torah. Right? So they chose some cause, and today you can. I've got this website, but there is this website. It gathers the information from IRS about these non-for-profit organizations, and you can see their income tax. Right, so even though it's not for profit, but there is a profit, and you can see there how much all of the presidents are making, vice presidents, all of this, his sister, his brother. Sometimes people make a lot of money, a lot. Right, so there could be some volunteers, but when a person gives to such organization, forget about the end. The end cost, where the money is going to go. A lot of money do not go anywhere. They're going to be spent on offices, and just see it's in income tax. I mean, if you know how to read it, it's very clear, like how much been spent for like internal upkeeping. Continue. Next one. Supporting one who is deficient in his character. One is obligated to give tzedakah to one who is lacking midas, midas and character flaws. Okay, so just because he's I don't know, lacking some character traits does not mean that we should not support him if he's in need. So it should not be one of the reasons. So if he observes Torah, Mitzvah, sometimes maybe he's annoying, he's behaving crazy, he's, I don't know, obnoxious, he's talking in the shul, but okay, so maybe he does not have, not maybe, for sure he does not have Yiras Shamayim, but if he is in need, so we would be obligated to give him. So next one, last one in this chain, so it says supporting non-Jewish charity. One is permitted to give tzedakah to non-Jewish charity in order to facilitate peaceful coexistence between Jews and non-Jews. So, but if no pressure, basically, so we should not give, right? Okay. So, any questions on what we said? We finished that third chapter. Yes, go ahead, please.
Question of word. It says, "What if the Israel Mumar's transgression is stealing? Can one accept his tzedakah to poor people?"
Why is it stealing? No, I apologize. I gave this example that they steal if they don't pay taxes or something. So I mean, for something spiritual, we should not take his money, right? I mean, even though at the end he said the custom today is to take his money, but even these big rabbis who would take money, so they would press this person to make some kind of teshuvah. You understand? To accept something on themselves. So he said, I would take your check, but only if you accept upon yourself to do something that you're not doing now. So now, like if person is teshuvah, is Baal Teshuvah, at least he's on the way to Teshuvah. So this big mitzvah, this reward for this mitzvah is going to help him a lot. Meaning what? That one mitzvah brings another mitzvah. You understand? But he has to understand. So he's not in such a good situation, and he is not doing us any favor, even if he does. You understand? To give by giving us money. But to poor people, it's like a physical need is not the same as spiritual need. So you can take money. So as we said, you can take money even from a non-Jews, but for a non-Jews it's very, very embarrassing. And we see what this non-Jews did. What was it? Angelic, I don't know what are these Christians, right? So they say that they're pro-Israel, and then in the board of many charities on many Torah institutions. Why? Because they give money. So I mean, it's only normal. Like if I invest, my charity's investment, I want to be part of the decision process, how this money is spent. Like it's normal. Right, so when Jews start accepting this money, so it's a slippery slope, basically. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.